Anna from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today is my favorite time of the week. It's Tablescape Tuesday. Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventure is our host. I hope you enjoy my fall decor. Welcome to my Fall Blessings Tablescape. This tablescape contains a plaid tablecloth with a wood grain charger plate and a cream dinner plate and a beautiful leaf pattern salad plate with little purple berries. And then we go on over, here's the cup, our cup. The cup is actually a Dollar Tree cup, and it's got little fruit, little pumpkins and leaf pattern. And I added a bow for the napkin, did the napkin in a little bow. And then I added this cross, which has a little decorative metal piece that goes down the center with a really pretty rustic flower. Then I created this floral masterpiece with a little bit of leopard print pumpkins, sunflowers, and some fall leaves with a hint of gold acorns. It is in a basket that I found at the Goodwill that has this really decorative pattern all the way around it. And I thought that would be so neat as a centerpiece for the fall. Then last but not least, here is a fall angel. She's holding a pumpkin. I found her at the Goodwill with the basket and the charger plate and these salad plates. All I found at the Goodwill. And these glasses. The tablecloth I found at Big Lots on clearance. And this cross I found that on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I hope you like my tablescape and hope you have a blessed fall. And remember, when you find different containers, like this little basket, which I'll show a little more, that stuff like this can make a perfect centerpiece. Oops. I have something uncovered. Oh, I guess I need to put a flower there. If you have a stem sticking out, you can always just add a flower to cover it up. I guess I needed to do that here. Welcome to my fall table.